Two-part tutorial because I don't know how much time I have left, but else if. And then we want, rad super dot checked. Then we want to do the exact same thing as we're doing, so liters times equals super, and then LBL cost dot text equals liters. Liters. So that's all we want for that for the calculate button. I'm just gonna check my time here. 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll go around. I'll do another tutorial after this one, and we'll continue right on with the next one. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, this is part 2 of the gas pump. So if you didn't follow along the first time, I would recommend going back and doing that. We did this right here, and we also did the form layout. So after we got this all coded here, the calculate button, what we can do is we can go and check it. So we'll type nothing in there, and we'll select regular, and we'll click calculate, and it will tell us please fill an amount. So we'll put 23 in calculate, and we got a little glitch there, but that's not hard to fix. We didn't put the txt property, we put the label property, but that's fine. That's just simple fix. So we'll just put right here txt, in every one of those, just so it does that, right? So we'll run it again and we'll see if you find. So 23 will be regular, calculate, and there you go. Special, and you notice you can't, if you click on that, you can't like change it, so that's good too. So let's exit out of that. So we'll go back to form, and we actually want to click on the form itself, so it'll come up and say form load or whatever. In this, we want to like set a rad button, so one's always going to be true. So I'm guessing a lot of people pick regular, so we'll set it to regular. So we'll just makes regular checked as a radio button. So we'll just put rad regular dot checked equals true, and that will set that to true. So below this, we want to have the focus right off the bat to the text box, so they know what to do, kind of thing. So this will focus the text box. So you remember how to do this, txt, and we want liters, so text, focus, I don't know what I was thinking there, and that's all you need to do. And you want your, it's a method, so you want to call that method, and later on, actually, I find classes are really interesting. I like classes a lot. You can make your own methods and stuff, like this is a method here, and you're calling it, you're sending in nothing. We'll get into that later on. I find that stuff really cool. So, and now we want to display the message. So, like, when it first pops up, we want them to say, yeah, the gas prices may change, so it may not be 100% accurate if you're using this 5 years from now. So, I mean, you can have it updated with a HTML server or something, but we won't get into that. So we just want a message box dot show, and we'll just put gas prices, our subject to change, and we'll put, say, comma, and it just brings up more options for I'll point it out here in a second. It's hard to explain. It's just like a label for the text box, and then we can just hit comma again, and then this comes out with like a yes, no, okay button. So we just want to go for an okay button. Oops. Okay, there we go. And we'll just hit it one more time, and this will bring in like an icon. So we'll put a warning. Here we are, and then just close your bracket, and I'll show you what this does here. And then comes up, says gas prices are subject to change. This is the warning thing I'm talking about up here. It's just the title of the text box or the pop-up screen. So, and then I'll load your thing here. Alright, so next we want to put the clear button. So go back and we'll click clear. You can also write a sub for this too, which I think I might do just for you guys. I'll go over subs later on, but really all you want is private sub and then the name of it. So let's name it clear. And this is kind of like methods for classes, but it's just in the same one. But so this first one will clear text box. And the reason why I'm doing a clear sub is so instead of writing that code wherever I need it, like clear button, and say we want to call it on the form load, is so we don't have to write that code 2 times. We can just call this one sub and it does its job and we can proceed. So txt leaders dot clear, which is another method. So, and this will clear the text box. Sorry, focus text box. I just did the clear. Focus the text box. Txt leaders dot focus, and then we want this one. We'll clear the label. So lbl cost dot txt equals. The labels don't have a clear method, so you have to equal an empty string. That works just the same way. So this will put the cursor to regular. And then we want to put rad regular dot checked equals true. So, oh, don't want that there. And I forgot my, yeah, that's good. So now what we want to do is call up here, and we'll just, actually we don't need that there, but we do need that. I deleted it. Clear. I like to have my subs at the bottom, but that's just me for some reason. So just all you need to do is clear, and that will call that sub. You can also put in front of that, you can put call. That's what I used to do, but just more typing, but that works the same way. And then, oops, what did I click? I clicked copy. And then for save, we'll just put this feature's not available, so we'll just make it a pop-up box. So, message box will pop up. So let's put message box dot show, and then we'll just put this feature is currently, I spelled that wrong, currently under progress. And like I said, we'll do that in a later play time of my tutorials. If I can type today, holy crap. And I think that's it. So we'll run it, and you get to see, and it comes up warnings, calculate. It says put liters in, so we'll put 34, and we'll calculate it 41. So if we click save, this feature's under progress, and they all work. So we'll click clear, and I've cleared the property of the label. I don't know why, but I did. So let's go back down to our sub. I'm just moving this to the bottom here. So we want txt cost, so we can use a dot clear method for the cost. And let's see if this works. Clear, and there you go. So yeah, that's part 2 of this tutorial, and I don't need a part 3. I thought I might have needed one, but I mean, this only went for 8 minutes. But yeah, hopefully I'll make some more today. I mean, it's only 2 o'clock. I mean, I have till 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock tonight, so I'll see what else I can do, and I'll see you guys in the next videos.
Inspired in the dark, in the dark, in the dark.